The consultants working under ECC side, they can see the stock only at the storage location level. And the consultants working for EWM, they can see the stock at the bin level. Each bin how much stock is there, they can see the bin level. But ECC side, they can see the stock at the storage location level. Now, in today's class, we are going to configure in the system. So company code under we will not configure. We will configure a new plant. We are going to create a new plant, new storage location, new shipping point, new receiving point. And EWM side, we are going to create a new warehouse, new storage types, new storage sections, new storage bins. So this is a full organized structure. It will take 2 to 3 days to establish the connection between ECC and EWM. As we are new to EWM, I will take 3 days of time to have the system connections properly. This is the major system connections are the major things for now as per your learning. Once you learn the system connections, it will take max 30 minutes in the real time to establish the connection between ECC and EWM. It may take 30 minutes to 1 hour, but in the class we will take more time because we should discuss each and every step in deep. Let me go to the system. So now I will open the ECC system. Okay, I'm going to open the ECC system. Where are the remaining people? 3 people are missing. 84 people missing. Guys, we should discuss your queries in group. Okay. What about remaining 4 people who joined the day? Okay. Now, as per yesterday's class, if you want to configure something, in the back end, we need to go to SPRO. You need to go to SPRO. You need to go to SAP Reference IMG Implementation Guide. Now, I want to configure the plant. To configure the plant, I need to go to enterprise structure. If you want to make a note of path, make a note of path. But remember, the path is very important. And once you practice 4 to 5 times, without seeing your notes, without seeing the video, you can go to the path. But first 4 or 5 times, you should know the path, where exactly you need to go. enterprise structure. Enterprise structure. Now drop down this one. Here there are two things. Definition assignment. In enterprise structure, we have definition assignment. Define. Definition means define. Define means what? Create. Define means what? Create. Assign means what? Once you create the entry, once you create the some values, we need to assign. Suppose if you are creating a plant, what you will assign? If you are creating a plant, what is mean by assignment? Assignment means plant is not independent. Plant is not independent. Suppose I am creating one plant. What plant I am creating? A plant in uh, a plant in USA. That too, a plant in California. So let's take India. Okay, I am creating a plant of India. Airbus plant is available in India. That is Mumbai. I am creating Mumbai plant. Okay, a plant number I am creating Mumbai plant. This plant is not independent. This plant is available where? This plant is available in Airbus India company code. Means what? In India, a plant is available, that is Mumbai plant. So end of the day, if I create MEUM1 Mumbai plant, I should tell to system that this Mumbai plant is in India. This Mumbai plant is in India. If I am creating a plant in USA, just think that I am creating one plant in USA, California plant. In that case, I need to assign that plant to Airbus USA. Company code Airbus USA. You should have a new company code that is for Airbus USA. So with respect to region, just think that with respect to region, you have company codes. And yesterday's class, in one new folder, I maintained some videos. Okay, if you are new to SAP, just go to that videos and watch those videos. And you don't need much information on this part. Okay, what I am discussing, but a piece of information is required. Okay, a piece of knowledge is required in the case of company code, plant and all. Okay, any confusion here? Company code, plant, any confusion? Anyone? What is company code? What is plant?
No, Ram.
It means we don't have idea, or else what? You are already aware, right? What is company code? What is plant?
Yes, Ram, we are aware.
Okay. Now I'm going to create one new plant. I'm going to create one new plant, that is Mumbai plant. Okay. Now I need to go to definition first of all. I need to go to definition. Now here, go to logistics general here. So there are a lot of path are there. Okay, there's no. Okay, nodes. Okay, there are a lot of nodes are there here. So when you have time, just open these nodes, all the nodes. Okay, and see what information is available in these nodes. Drop down this one. Okay, I went to where? SPRO SAP reference IMG. There I went to enterprise structure. In enterprise structure I went to definition. In definition I went to logistics general. Now in logistics general I have, can you see, define, copy, delete, check plant. Define, copy, delete, check plant. If I execute this one, it'll asking me define plant, copy, delete, check plant, and define plant for cross processing. This leave it. Okay, but we have copy, delete, check plant, which is required for me. Copy, delete, check plant. So once I enter there, you have copy option here. If you see, you have the copy organization object. So once you click on this one, it will ask, do you want to copy from where to where? Where to where means do you want to copy from a reference plant? I always take reference plant to copy. I will not go to new entries. Copy from 1000 plant. Or else take 0001. Okay. 0001 you can take, or 1000 you can take, whatever you want to take, you can take. And I want to create a new plant. What is the new plant I want to create? New plant is MUM1. Okay. Or else, if you want to remember by your naming conventions, try to create your naming things. Okay. Normally I'll prefer RKPL, my name, and PL means plant. RKPL, naming conventions, just to remember. Okay. So even if you're creating your new data, create your own plant. Okay. Create your own plant. RKPL while practicing. Do you already, okay, yeah, data already exists RKPL? Okay. Now what I will do, I'm gonna create a new one. Not RKPL, I'll create like this is JUPL. I'm going by month. Okay, this is July. This is July. I'm going by JUPL, July plant. Click on OK. Yes. So it is copying, guys. It is copying all the values of 1000 plant, and also it is creating one new plant. And it is asking me transport request number. Transport request number. What is transport request number, guys? I'll tell you. And there is one more video I uploaded in the drive. If you go to the drive, I have maintained two new videos. If you have gone through that one, maintain two videos. Just I'll show you what are those. So I maintain one folder here. If you see MM basics for EWM, okay. And if you go here, I maintain SAP landscape part 1, SAP landscape part 2, and basics of SAP. These three videos, whoever are new to SAP, I recommend them to go to these three videos. Go to these three videos whenever you have time. Just watch 2 to 3 times. You'll get clear idea. And these are very important. Okay. Basics. Just basics. So this is called transport request number. I had to create my own transport request number. You create only once throughout your class. You create only once. This is dummy system. Create only once. Here you can click on create request. I'm creating like this one as ECC transport request. Click on save. I got one number. This is my number of transport request. And in this I am saving every configuration. I'll show you how to save everything. How to see. It is copying and saving the data, everything. Click on no, that's fine. Planned 1000 copied to JUPL. Planned 1000 copied to JUPL. Means what? A system created new plant by copying from 1000 plant. All details it has copied. Click on OK, guys. Can you see? Completed activities. I can see JUPL copied from 1000 plant. So I have a new plant now. I have a new plant. If I go here, I can see my plant. JUPL, I can see my plant. Okay. I can change my name if I want. Okay. Mumbai plant, I can tell. Mumbai plant. Now I created a new plant. What about assignment, guys? What about assignment? Here in the down, if you close the definition, you can see the assignment. In assignment, if you go to logistics general here, assign plant to company code. Can you see? Assign plant to company code. Means what are the plant you created that belongs to which country? What are the plant you created that belongs to which country? And with respect to country, we have company code. If it is USA, company code is US01. Example I am telling. If it is North America, or not, if you go to APAC, some kind of AP01. If it is Europe, EU01. Okay, if you have company code on country based, India, IN01, US01, or if you take New Zealand, NZ01, and if you have Germany, DE01. Okay, like that, if you have a country based company code, then you'll have company code based on the country. And in that country, you have all the plants. So you need to link the plants belongs to the respective country. Now I need to assign plant to company code. Now what it will happen, guys? When I copy from 1000 plant, system will copy what? This JUPL plant I copied from 1000. Now what system will do automatically? Any guess? When I copy JUPL, my new plant, from 1000 plant, what system will do? Any idea?
They'll assign company code of 1000 plant.
This system will copy 1000 code of 1000 company code plant, 1000 company code to my new plant company code. For 1000 plant, what is the company code? For 1000 plant, what is the company code?
1000.
1000 only. Okay, 1000 is a different company code. Okay, just don't confuse. Okay, because 1000 here is there, 1000 here is there. Don't tell both are plants. This is a company code we defined, and this is a plant. In a plant, in a company code, we have a plant. Now, if I open JUPL, can you see what happened here? For JUPL plant also, company code is 1000. For JUPL plant also, company code is 1000. So now what is the logic you understand here? Okay,
Within a
if someone,
within a company code, many plants will be assigned.
okay, within a company code, many plants will be assigned. And any other logic you want to tell me, like? So I created new plant. New plant created, okay. That is what JUPL. How this plant is created? JUPL
Copied from 1000.
copied from 1000 plant. Why I copied from only 1000 plant? Can anyone tell me?
It's a SAP standard one.
Just leave it. I don't want to go for 1000. I don't want to. Okay, next another thing. I don't want to
Like
copy from 1000. Huh?
what is
Huh?
the exact question, sir?
Why I copied from 1000 plant now?
Because
What will be the reason I choose 1000? Don't tell standard, okay? Other than that.
so all the values that will be copied from 1000, no need to enter manually to the new plant.
Then I can choose 3001 plant, right? I have 3001 plant also. I can copy from 3001 plant and I can create JUPL. It's possible, right?
I think 1000 plants has all the attributes that all we need.
Yeah, I agree, but
In ideal,
yeah.
we could use 1000 only for copying.
We
In ideal system, 1000 is recommended one.
not like that. Recommended is starting when you are implementing like a greenfield implementation. System is purely empty. Then you will take reference on 1000 plant. Now just think that there are a lot of plants are there in system. Lot of plants are there in system. I don't need to take 1000 plant only. Okay, I have like 100 plants are there now in system. I have 100 plants are there, and 100 plants belongs to some 10 company codes. 10 company codes. 100 plants, 10 company codes. If you want, for example, I can give you.
We are extending the plant.
Extending
From already
the
predefined plant, we are extending one more plant for the same region.
I agree. This is the best answer I can tell. Easy USA. This is Germany. This question is not only for plant, okay, lot of things. That's why I'm showing you in deep. Guys, if you're not asking question, go on mute. Okay. I have 4 different countries I want to hear. USA I'm taking as one country. Now, in USA, I have 4 plants. This is my current system, okay? This is my current system design. I have 4 plants in USA. That is ABCD. And in Germany, we have EFGH. Sorry. And India, EJKL. Taking numbers, I'm just taking alphabets. MNOP. Okay. Now tell me, this is in SAP. Currently, with respect to the countries, we have these plans. We have already these plans in system. Now, a new requirement came for me. I want to create a new plant. The new plant number is alphabet. I can, instead of number, I'm giving alphabet. R. A new plant is coming into picture, and they asked me to create. Management has requested me to create a new plant. Now tell me, what is the first question you will ask to the management?
Which region we are creating?
Which region you wanna create a plant?
Exactly. Which region? This plant belongs to which country? This plant belongs to which country? Okay, these guys are telling this plant belongs to India. Now tell me, what is the next step you will do?
Like we have to copy any one of the plants, that is IJKL. Either one of them we can copy to create R.
Exactly. Okay, because this R is the new plant you are creating in India. Now in this case, you need to copy from either of these four and create a new plant. Why? What is the benefit?
Because all the characters, values, attributes that belongs to Indian region that will be copied to the R.
Yes. All these four plants are already linked to company code of India. So when you create a new plant and once you copy from the existing plant of India, when you copy it, system will copy all the values. System will copy all the values, all the assignments that already plant is having, and it will copy for R also. It will copy for R also, so that there is no change in the configuration. So it will be easy for you. When you configure new values, it will be easy for you when you copy from the existing this one. Now, in case if I forgot and copied from E, India plant, if I copy from E, what will happen? Nothing wrong in that, okay? Okay, but you should not copy. If you copied, that's fine. Instead of deleting, I can change some values like assignment. First of all, I should delink. When you copy from E plant, okay, system will link to Germany. This plant system will link to Germany. Now you need to go to again assignment. You should delink everything and you need to assign back to India, and you need to check all the values once again properly it's there or not. So it's better to copy from the plant that belongs to India. That is the advantage. Got it? Now in this case, my JUPL belongs to India only. Okay, just think that this is for India only. Company code 1000 is for India. And JUPL is my new plant. So I copied correctly only. My idea, okay, I copied correctly only. My new plant, JUPL, I copied to correctly only. In this case, I plant is what? 1000 plant is the plant. JUPL also I copied from 1000 plant. And 1000 is the company code for India. So everything got assigned here. Assign plant to company code, if you see, JUPL already assigned to 1000. Okay. So link is there. System link is there. Now next thing. Again I am going to definition. Now I am going to materials management. If I drop down here, there is one node called maintain storage location. Maintain storage location. Can you see here? You created plant. You created the plant, Mumbai. Now you need to create the storage location. You need to create in the plant. Maintain storage location. System is asking under which plant you want to create the storage location. Now you need to mention to system as JUPL is my plant. In these